to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. Pitching is a key skill in startup fundraising. Here are some key steps to learn how to pitch. Consider taking classes and tutorials. There are many tools now available online. Consider signing up for a Toastmasters class. This gives you the opportunity to speak to a group and then gain feedback. The best way to learn how to pitch is to practice often. Practice both by yourself and with others to gain their assessment. Also, it helps to listen to other pitches. One can learn a great deal about pitching just by listening to good and bad ones. After each pitch, make a list of what was good and how it could be improved. Finally, the best way to master a subject is to teach it. In medical school, they have a motto: see one, do one, teach one. The repetition and having to explain it to others drives the development of the skill. Consider these steps in learning how to pitch. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.